Hi guys! For today's video ay samahan nyo kaming mag-almusal dito sa Ichiran Ramen sa Taipei. So perfect to dahil sobrang lamig ng panahon ngayon, and by the way, yung store nila dito is 24/7 bukas. So nag-decide kaming mag-grab or mag-Uber papunta dito mula sa hotel. It's about 15 minutes from dun sa hotel namin. So ayan guys, wala pang tao and very Japanese style restaurant din siya guys. So, this is originally from Japan. And meron sa Hong Kong dito, but we were unable to try it then. So, dito namin i-try sa Taiwan. So, ayan nga pala yung kanilang pricing. And pakita ko sa inyo later yung itsura ng ramen. And kung worth it ka ba, i-try. Okay, and yung select number 5. Soft drinks. Yan. So, ito yung additional nila. May slice ng pork, may egg, and may seaweed. Okay.
等下这张明细到上一台阶这样就行，等下10。
Kamusta naman? Sulit, no? Ayan, guys. So, bali, ang bill namin per bowl is 500 din. Ayan. May libre pa silang patubig. So that's our Ichiran Ramen experience dito sa Taipei. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.